Welcome to Battle of the Best. The best Crep Waterproof Spray is probably one of the most essential products for anyone looking to protect their footwear investment, offering a robust shield against water, stains, and everyday wear and tear, ensuring your favorite sneakers, boots, and even casual shoes remain looking pristine and new for longer, making it an indispensable tool for maintaining the longevity and aesthetic appeal of your entire shoe collection. Number 5. Pink Miracle Shoe Cleaner Kit. Introducing the Pink Miracle Shoe Cleaner Kit. It's designed to bring your favorite shoes back to life, no matter the material. This powerful cleaner works wonders on fabric, leather, and even delicate suede and nubuck. Keep all your sneakers looking pristine. Worried about white shoes getting dirty? Our formula effectively tackles tough stains, restoring their original brightness with ease. The kit includes a specially formulated cleaner and a brush, providing everything you need for a thorough clean. It's your all-in-one solution for shoe care. Despite its powerful cleaning action, it's gentle on your shoes, ensuring they are cleaned without damage. Experience a true miracle for your footwear. What we like. This kit offers a comprehensive solution for all your footwear cleaning needs. It effectively tackles dirt and stains on various materials like fabric, leather, and suede. If you're looking for a single product to restore multiple types of shoes, this is the one for you. What people say. This spray is amazing, it works really well on my shoes. I love how it protects my shoes from water and stains. It's easy to apply and doesn't leave any residue. Number 4. Crep Protect Shoe Protector Spray. Introducing the ultimate solution for safeguarding your footwear. This spray provides a powerful barrier against the elements. It effectively repels rain and stains, keeping your shoes looking pristine. Enjoy worry-free wear in any weather condition. Utilizing advanced nanoprotection, it creates an invisible shield on your shoes. This technology ensures long-lasting defense. Perfect for a wide range of materials, including sneakers, leather, nubuck, suede, and canvas. It's the ideal protector for all your favorite shoes. Application is simple and quick, providing comprehensive coverage. Just spray and let it work its magic to protect your investment. Maintain the fresh look of your sneakers and other footwear with this essential protector. It's designed to extend the life and appearance of your shoes. What we like. Experience advanced protection with its innovative nanotechnology. It creates an invisible barrier against rain and stains, keeping your sneakers looking fresh. If you want to safeguard your favorite kicks from the elements and maintain their pristine condition, this spray is an excellent choice. What people say. This spray is amazing, it works really well on my white sneakers, they stayed clean after a muddy walk. I've used this spray on my suede boots and it repelled water perfectly, no stains at all. The spray creates a great barrier against liquids, my trainers have never looked better after using this product. Number 3. Classic Suede Brush and Nubuck Cleaner. Introducing the ultimate tool for restoring your suede and nubuck items. This brush is designed to bring them back to their pristine, wearable condition. Forget about needing multiple products. This innovative brush is a standalone solution for cleaning and maintaining your footwear, eliminating the need for additional cleaners or brushes. Unlike regular brushes that just move dirt around, this one is engineered to lift and separate dirt and scuff marks effectively. It cleans without simply pushing debris further into the material. With its unique 4-way design, including specialized rubber bristles and welt brushes, it meticulously cleans every corner and narrow welt of your shoes where dirt often accumulates. Experience a powerful clean with its dual nylon and brass bristles. This combination effectively dislodges and lifts dirt, requiring minimal pressure for a thorough job. The carefully designed bristles and spacing ensure effective cleaning without causing damage. It's the perfect tool for maintaining the health and appearance of your favorite footwear. What we like. This brush is designed for deep cleaning and restoring your shoes to their former glory. Its unique multi-directional bristles are perfect for tackling tough dirt and scuff marks on suede and nubuck. If you prioritize restoring the original look of your shoes and need a tool that can reach every corner, this is the ideal option. What people say. This spray is amazing, it works perfectly on my white sneakers, keeping them clean and protected from dirt and water. I've used this spray on my suede boots and it has done a fantastic job of repelling water and preventing stains. Highly recommend. Number 2. Markk Shoe and Sneaker Protector Repel Spray. Introducing the ultimate shield for your favorite footwear. This innovative spray provides powerful protection against water and stains, keeping your shoes looking pristine. Experience worry-free wear with our advanced formula. It creates an invisible barrier that repels liquids and prevents unsightly marks, ensuring your sneakers stay fresh. Crafted with care, it's safe for a wide range of materials including leather, suede, nubuck, cotton, and knits. You can trust it to protect without causing damage. Our non-aerosol design offers an environmentally friendly application. Enjoy effective protection while making a responsible choice for the planet. Keep your shoes looking their best with minimal effort. This protector ensures long-lasting freshness, making sneaker care simpler than ever before. Elevate your shoe care routine with this essential companion. It's the perfect solution for maintaining the quality and appearance of your valuable footwear. What we like. This offers a gentle yet effective way to protect your footwear. Its non-aerosol formula is safe for a wide range of materials, including leather, suede, and even delicate knits. If you prefer an eco-friendlier option and need reliable protection for a variety of shoe types, consider this spray. What people say. This spray is amazing, it works on all my shoes and keeps them dry. I love how this spray doesn't leave any residue or change the color of my shoes. The spray is easy to apply and dries quickly, providing excellent protection against water and stains. Number 1. Gold Standard Shoe Protector Spray 5 ounces. Introducing the Gold Standard Shoe Protector Spray. This 5-ounce bottle offers superior water-repellent protection for all your favorite shoes. Its waterproof formula effectively repels water and stains, keeping your sneakers looking pristine. No more worries about unexpected spills or puddles. This versatile protector is ideal for suede, leather, nubuck, and canvas materials. It's the perfect companion for your white sneakers. Enjoy long-lasting defense against the elements. A single application provides reliable protection, so you can step out with confidence. Maintain the fresh look of your footwear with this essential spray. It's the easy way to preserve your shoes' quality and appearance. What we like. Achieve a gold standard of protection for your footwear. This formula is particularly effective at repelling water and stains, making it perfect for keeping white sneakers looking bright. If you own white sneakers or delicate materials like suede and leather, and want to maintain their clean appearance, this protector is a must-have. What people say. This spray is amazing, it works perfectly on my white sneakers and keeps them looking brand new. I've used this spray on my suede boots and it repelled water and stains effectively. The spray creates a protective barrier that lasts for a long time, even after multiple wears. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.